Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. It's been 3 weeks since I put those seeds down. The results are in. Nothing spectacular again. Not a good time to put seeds down. Over here, looks good. Looks great actually. Great job. The Vincas doing well. They love sun. They've been getting some water. But the new seeds I put down, I didn't water a whole lot. So this is what you get. I didn't water like I should have because I put the top and bond down, and you guys know that, and I didn't want to mess up the concrete. All right, we're on the side of the house checking out the rose bushes. They're doing great. They are great. Again, be patient. Remember, I dug them out, planted them over here. They caught an attitude, and now look at them. But there's always one. There's always one, and here it is, and I have to take this one out, dig it out, and do something with it. Now, this last one, look at it. Very nice. Remember, these last four came from the front yard and they look sick. They look great now with the exception of one. This one and that one came from the backyard, and now look at them. And this smaller one broke off from one of the ones that were in the backyard, and it's doing quite well. Again, give them time. Let's check out the rest of the area. What do you guys think about the pots? Leave your comments in the comments section. I think I got too many annuals in the smaller pots though. The concrete, you know what, it could be better. I could put one more coat down. Reason why it isn't the way I would like it to be is because you have to wait 28 days before you can put that ceiling down. And I don't have that type of time, so I took that ceiling back. It was a vertical ceiling, so I was skeptical about using it anyway. All right, like this little pot, great addition to the table. Guys, as a reminder, don't put too much water in these self-watering pots. It'll look like a swamp, if you know what I mean. You know what? I'm going to do some light maintenance, get the garden tools, and go to work. Best part about all this is next year, I won't have a whole lot to do, just regular maintenance. Those are perennials mostly. I'm okay with buying new annuals. Again, I just want to do light maintenance moving forward. This looks great. Let's come back. Got to take a break and take care of some other stuff. It's the next day, rise and shine, got the Power Smart out. You guys know I changed the rating on that, right? You do know that, right? Let's give the yard a cut. So next year, this time, all I want to do is cut, edge, and blow this stuff into the street. If you guys have been following the channel, you know in the past I would freak out over the grass looking like this. Not anymore. I know a lot of it has to do with the weather. Again, I didn't water like I should have because of the concrete. But next year, I'm going to have to do some things differently, and I might start on other stuff first. Speak of the devil, might as well turn the sprinklers on, water the grass. This isn't a good time, though. It's really not a good time. Sun is out. It's blazing. It's like I'm wasting water. Preferred time is 6 to 10 a.m. You can even wait until the evening time after the sun goes down. Anyway, rose bushes, they're great. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.